How to find your passion? Always remember that you can't find your passion in reality. I know most of people would say you need to find your passion. Understand what is your passion. But in reality, you have to create your own passion. Life is not about finding yourself. Life is about creating yourself. Saying you don't need to find purpose. You need to create it. So, for creating that thing, you must need interest and you know what your interest. So, if you don't know your interests, so you can go into your past self and then you have to brainstorm it. When I was 5 or 6 year old, what I like to do, what I love to doing, then maybe your answer would be studying or playing guitar, anything else, or singing, dancing, painting, anything it would be. So then you can find your passion. That is as simple as that. Got it? And if you want a big answer, bro, no. It is so simple. How can be simple? Let's make it complicated. Then I would say, bro, if you want to find your purpose, you need two things. One and two. Number one thing is to go and read books on passion. And when you're going to read books, you would find, oh, passion is this and passion is that. He have this passion, she have this passion, she is a dancer, she is a singer, whatever it is. In the end, what is your purpose? Maybe you would find your purpose like my purpose is reading books. And you can make this your business. How? Like you can create YouTube videos where you are giving summaries of the books. See? Really? Great. This is great. So read books. Maybe you gonna find your purpose. And there is many ways. Like you can try lots of things. You know, most of people say don't put your hand in 10 places. I would say no, bro. Go and just taste all flavors in your life. All flavors means all flavors. Don't listen these things. You should not put your hand in 10 places. You should place your hand, my friend. Don't listen those things. Enjoy your life by your own values. Don't listen anybody, any gurus. If you want to do something, then just do it. Do it. You don't need to die with regrets. And why do you want regrets? Do you love regret? No. Take an example. Some gurus say, masturbation is really so bad thing. You know. Okay. And then you listen this. You say, it is really bad thing. And you trying to stop that. But you couldn't. Because you are a loser. You already know that. Yeah. You already loser. You know that. And then you, bro, I'm really so loser. I'm this. Your confidence goes down and down and down. You think, yes, it is really so bad. Tell me. If I tell you, if a guru says, eating food is really bad thing, God will always punish you if you eat food, then do you believe in this? Really? For real? Do you believe in this nonsense? Like I'm saying, don't eat food, otherwise God will punish you. What the fuck? Bro, masturbation is natural thing. Got it? So you don't need to listen to those gurus. If any guru says, it is really so bad thing. Let's come on our topic. Our topic is find passion. Maybe your passion like doing masturbation. Yes, it might be. So how can you earn money by doing this? Can we become a porn star? Yes, I know it sounds controversial. Do you want money or something else? If you want money, then forget these things. Money is important, eh? all about. If you're trying to find your passion, because of what you want money actually. And why do you want money? Because you want to enjoy your life fully. You really want to do something in your life. And you say, bro, I really want to do that. I will do anything. I'm enjoying my life. That's why your passion would be, I want to earn money. Yes, it can be. You under what is the ways I can earn money? Yes. So first of all, I would say understand your friendship. Understand, does your friend helping you growing in your life, or you understand it? So look at yourself and ask yourself, do I really deserve this friendship? I'm growing. Am I growing? And if your answer is no, then don't break this friendship. You become a friend who make his friend growing. Got it? So if you really want to find your passion, just try new things again and again. And second thing is, take action. Maybe you find your passion like, yes, I love to doing, but I will do tomorrow because I want to scroll YouTube videos. Then fuck out of your mind, bro. Just take action. As simple as that. Got it?